Hello, can you hear me now? Hello, hello. Can you hear me, everyone? Okay, fine. Okay, now it's all okay, right? Yes, fine, fine. Okay, my voice is loud and clear? Yes. 1 second, I need access for sharing the screen. Let me call her. Okay, okay, I have an access to share the screen now. I just shared the screen. Okay, see, hope everybody can able to see my screen now. Hope everybody can able to see my screen. Yes, perfect. Okay, all right. Hmm. Okay. See now, what are the things we learned so far? Can someone can quickly confirm in the chat box? What are the things we learned? We learned in the last class till the last class. Uh, what are the things we learned till last class? JS, right? Okay. See, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, correct. Okay. See now we'll start with an Angular and as well as TypeScript. Okay. We will start with an Angular and as well as TypeScript. Okay. Yeah. See, notice here. Anyways, when we started with an Angular, we are going to learn even meanwhile TypeScript. Okay. See, we don't want to separately execute that this one. We don't want to execute separately this one called as TypeScript. Okay, no, not required. See, we'll directly work with an Angular. Okay, means before this, just I'll give you overview of this TypeScript. What is the things? What is the use of TypeScript and how to use it? All the things. And meanwhile, what we can do? How we everybody already having an idea what is Java, right? Same thing in TypeScript also. Okay, TypeScript is the advanced version of JavaScript. See what we have to do. First, we have to install the Node.js software. Guys, again repeating. Just again, see, quickly I will tell you. There were 34 members are there in the session. Okay, if you guys miss single minute concentration, repeating, if you guys are missed single minute concentration, whatever you guys are will learn that one, that will get waste. Okay, this is not like a till core Java, advanced Java, or something Spring Hibernate, or kind of not like this. Okay, see there at least you guys can go to some website, all those things. Somehow you guys can learn yourself, even if you are not listening properly. But here not like that. Again repeating, if you miss single minute concentration, very first thing I'll not repeat. Again listen carefully. You must have to listen carefully. Okay, else you guys can go back and come up with the recording once again. You guys can learn that. Okay, very much clear about this one. Listen carefully. Okay, see, I'll repeat from the scratch now. If I want to work with an Angular, till now we were using only what? HTML, CSS, JavaScript, right? See now little bit advanced. See now instead of using the same HTML, CSS, JavaScript, now we have something kind of what? Angular. Okay. See now as I already told this, full stack will be what? In the last class, I think we inserted the data from we inserted the record from web to database, I guess. Okay. Yes, we inserted all the records. See now what we'll do. Now we'll see the pure HTML. Okay, so pure Angular part now. Okay. See, as already we know, full stack is nothing but what? Combination of HTML, CSS, JavaScript will be the front end, middleware, and the back end. Okay. See here you guys are using this frameworks. Like it might be something Spring MVC or Spring Boot. Hope you guys have learned Spring MVC, Spring Boot or Hibernate. Whether you guys have learned this one? Whether you guys have learned this one, Spring MVC, Spring Boot? Okay. See now, hope you guys are very good in these particular things. I hope you guys already aware of it, what actually these all the things. Okay. You guys already aware of it. That is fine. Okay. See now, instead of using this JavaScript, we are using advanced version of JavaScript, which we call as what? AngularJS. Which we call as what? AngularJS. Okay. See, remember AngularJS and AngularJS and Angular is totally different. Okay, AngularJS and AngularJS and Angular is totally different. AngularJS is based on JavaScript. Okay, AngularJS is based on JavaScript. Okay, AngularJS is based on JavaScript. Okay, and again here Angular will be based on TypeScript. Okay, Angular will be based on TypeScript. Okay, Angular will be based on TypeScript. See, either Angular you can call or either Angular 2 plus you guys can call. All these things will be same. AngularJS is JavaScript framework and Angular 2 plus onwards it is a TypeScript. See, what is TypeScript? TypeScript will be internally converted to JavaScript only. Internally it will convert to JavaScript only. Okay, internally it will convert to JavaScript only. See, we don't want to worry about anything for that one. See, that is taken care by internally. We don't want to do anything for that. Okay. See now, which is the current version in Angular? See, we have Angular 13. We have Angular 13, which is in nowadays. Understanding the version 13 we have. Okay, Angular 13 we have. See now we are going to learn. See, if I want to install this Angular, if I want to work with front end as an Angular, what we have to do? We have to install. We have to install Node.js. Okay, and we have to install Angular package by using npm. What is npm? npm is nothing but what? Node package manager. Okay, Node package manager. How to install this Angular package? npm install -g @angular/CLI. This is the way which I have to install it. Clear, right, everybody? Clear? Yeah. See, notice here the very first thing what I will do, I will go back and I'll try to install this Node.js application first. Okay, again repeating from the scratch, I will go back and download the Node.js application. See, this is how I can able to download the Node.js application, which I think it might be, you can use 16.6616.0. Okay. See, it will take either 1 or 2 minutes to download it. After downloading these particular things, you guys have to install this application. See, hope everybody know how to install this application, right? Now again, I'm going back, showing the folder. See, when I can click on these things, see, it is coming here. Double click. Notice next. It is already there in my case. If it is not there, it will ask you to install. If it is already there, it will ask you to repair it. See, then again I clicked on repair. Once if it is done everything, then it will be successfully installed in my case. Okay. Now let us see that whether it is really installed or not. Okay. Now close. Let us install it. Meanwhile, if anybody is trying, please you guys can also do the same thing. Okay. Now again installing. Let it install this. Okay. And meanwhile, everybody, we need complete Visual Studio Code. One is what? VS Code we need. VS Code, Visual Studio Code, and as well as Node.js. These two application is required for a front-end development for us. Okay. When I can come back, yes, it is finished. See, when I can click on, yes, it is finished here. Now I'll go back to the application. Okay, where I will go. Guys, listen carefully, everybody here. I will not repeat again telling that. Okay. Yeah. Now coming back. See, I just installed this Node.js application. Okay. Once I install this application, now going back here. See, notice here just I'll call one folder. Okay, let me call here. Okay, let me call, delete this one. Okay, I don't want this still actually this. Okay, delete option, delete. Okay, now again coming. See, just to show that what I will do, simple example. Okay, just we'll quickly will come across this, then directly we'll jump into uh, Angular. Okay, I'll call this one TypeScript. See, 90% of the content whatever we have there, it will be same thing only. Okay. See, can you able to see this one? Can you able to see this one notepad file, everybody? Yes. Can everybody can able to see this notepad file? I want the confirmation from everyone. Can everybody can able to see this notepad file? Right? Okay. See now, hope if you guys are also checking this one, please check this one also. See, you guys have to everybody install this application. Okay. See now, still this one is what we are using in the command prompt only for a while. Later I will use this one called as what. See, why did why you didn't CMD? Yeah. See, if you want to open this one, you can also use it in CMD also. Okay, same location, anywhere you can, anywhere. See, again I'll repeat. See, just I'm writing the TypeScript code. See, just again I'll come back. The same thing I'll write. Okay, CMD. No, see here I'll call code space dot. See, I want to open that here. Okay, I want to just open the Visual Studio Code here. Simply just I open the Visual Studio Code. Fine. Okay. Fine. See, notice here the very first thing I wanted to call demo1.ts file. What is this? Demo1 dot. What is the file? See, what is the difference between opening the code space? Yeah, both are same. Okay, no need of nothing changes. Okay, see, demo1.ts file just I created. Just demo1.ts file I just created. Okay. See, notice demo1.ts file. See, inside is web.ts file. Just I open this one demo1.ts file here. Okay. Notice here. So, or else what you can do, go to VS Code. Go to VS Code, Visual Studio Code. Okay, go to Visual Studio Code. Open that one. See, once if you open this one, you go to the file, open folder. You just go to this TypeScript. Click on this. Also, you can open like this. Both are same. Okay. See, can you able to see this one TS file, everybody? Can you able to see this TS file, everyone? Yeah. See, hope you guys have learned Java, right? See, it is same similar here. See, now how to create a class? Again, class demo. See, here I just created as a class demo, right? Yeah, notice here, correct. Okay, na? See, and here I just, if I have a class 1, see now here I have a class 1. Can you able to see this one, everybody? Can you able to see this, everyone? Yeah. See, in Java we were creating class name and constructor name as both are same, right? Class name and constructor name both are same. We were creating like this, correct? Yes or no? But I want the response from everybody in the chat box. This session to be very much interactive. Ask the so many questions, learn all parallelly. Okay, this is how we are writing this one in the Java. See, class name and constructor name must be same, correct? Correct? But see, in TypeScript, we have constructor name itself as a constructor. Clear? Constructor name itself as a constructor. Console.log. If I want to print, hi, demo1, just to check. Okay, just to check. See, now just simply calling this one just to check. See how we were creating an object before? How we were creating an object? Demo1 d is equal to new demo1. This is how we are creating an object before, correct? Yes or no? Correct? See here, what is this one? See, we don't want to create these things now in Java. Okay, just call as a var. Simple. See, as soon as we create this one, see, I'll open the terminal here only. New terminal. Just I open. See, once if I create this one, see, once if I create this, notice node space demo1.ts file. Okay. See, this is where I want to compile. See, once if I compile this code, what will get generated? As I told this, internally it will convert to JavaScript, right? See, notice once if I hit this one, see, automatically, see, it is directly executing. Okay, if you want to compile tsc demo 1.ts. See, just compile like this. What is telling? TS is not recognition. Okay, see, I think it is not installed. I have to install the TypeScript package. So how to install the TypeScript package? npm install. I'll call TypeScript. Okay, TypeScript. I want to install the TypeScript. See, here is a specific general website. If you want to check anything, here we have official website for us. See, copy this one, copy this, copy the TypeScript. Okay, go back and try to install it. Okay, once if we install these particular things, see now notice, yes, clicking on this one. Once if I click this one, see now we are installing the TypeScript now. Okay, once if we done this one, npm I TypeScript, it will install the TypeScript package. Okay, if you want to check TypeScript -v. Okay, fine. See now what I will do, I'll go back to this one here. Here only. What I will do, cmd. I'll call no tsc space demo 1.ts. TSC not recognition. Not installed it, I guess. 1 minute. TypeScript. Now coming back to the same. Okay, copy this one. Okay, now you paste it and install it. See, once if I install this one, TypeScript, yes, TypeScript installed here. And meanwhile, once if we install TypeScript, such as this, we have to install even Angular package also. How to install Angular package? npm I means install, npm install -g globally @angular/CLI. This is what we have to be installed very first thing. If I want to work with Angular, we have to install these particular things. What is telling? ANGULAR. ANGULAR. See, Angular. See, we have to be install the package first. Okay, see, we must have to install the package. Once if we install the Node.js, after this we have to install these two packages. One is called as what? TypeScript, and one more is called as what? Angular. Okay, just to check, if you want ng-version. ng-version. See, what is the version we have? I will call ng-version. What is this? You need to specify the comment before moving to this. See, first let me check this one, npm version. Okay, see, you can able to see this npm version will be, for us we have 8.1.3. Okay, such as this we have an ng-v. If I can check ng-v in it, what is this? And before moving on, ng version -is not required. Okay, yeah, it is coming. Okay, see now check out here. Yes, see here we are using this one by default already installed. TypeScript was already installed. We don't want to worry about anything. Okay, now check out Angular is also already installed, which is of Angular 14. Got it? Which is the current version we are using. Angular 14 is the current version which we are using it. Okay, yeah, fine. See now, as already we know this one. See now, let me compile this node space, sorry, tsc space demo 1.ts. TS is not compiling, not recognizing. I have to set the path, all those things then. Fine. See, no worries. What we can do that. See, now directly we'll come back. I'll show it in the there itself. Okay. I'll show it in the there itself. Where in an Angular. While creating an Angular, I'll show it there. Okay. See, let us create this one called as what? Angular folder. See, notice here what I will do. See, this is how. Once see, listen carefully. I want to be install the very first thing. I have to install Node.js. I have to install the package. Which package? Angular package. Then you check npm -hyphen version. Which version we are using? npm. And ng-hyphen version. Which is an Angular version. See, Node package manager. It is a kind of Node.js. Inside this Angular will be only small package. Okay. See, if I want to create a new project, ng new demo. See, notice carefully, if you want to create a project, we have to use ng new demo. I am creating a project. What I am creating now? What I am creating? What I am creating now? Project. How to create a project? Ng new demo. See, and it is asking me to enter the routing file. Just yes, I want to use the routing file. See, and again it is asking me to CSS. Just click on CS. See, once if we done this one, automatically it will get installed. Okay, it will take minimum 2-3 minutes to install all the things. Okay, meanwhile what I will do, I'll keep it like this. Okay, I'm keeping it like this. Now going back, fine, here notice, yeah. See, Node.js we installed. Then after this one we install Node installation, install Angular package, install Angular after this, after Node install Angular package. Then after Angular package installation, then check this ng hyphen version. Okay, then check npm hyphen version, which version we are using it, all the things. How to create a project? How to create a project? See, here we have a comment called as what? Ng new demo. Okay, ng new demo. See, here we are using ng new demo. Ng means Angular new. We are creating the project name. Project name itself we call as what? Demo. Okay. Is it created in my case? Project created. See, now go back and check. See, in an Angular folder, does it create a demo program? Demo project. See, inside the demo project, we have many other things are available. Correct? We have many other things are available. I want to be open that. See, going back to the Visual Studio Code, Angular folder where I created it. Inside this Angular, I created a project called as demo. I want to be open these particular things. Okay. I want to be open cmd code space dot. Okay. Here I have a project. See, once if I open like this, see here you can able to see the project. Can you able to see the project, everybody? ng belongs to Node.js or npm. See, Node.js is a software we have to install. Under that, we have to install a package of Angular package we have to install. I have to install a Angular package. Okay. See, once if I expand this particular application, notice here, we have something called as what? SRC. Again, notice this is a complete demo. We have SRC inside this. Inside this, we have app. Can you able to see this one app, everyone? Can you able to see this app, everybody? App? Yeah. See, notice here. Here we have CSS file. Here we have HTML file. Here we have spec file, and here we have TS file. See, HTML is file what? Just to write a logic. Logic means what? Your content. CSS style. TS file logic purpose. JavaScript. As well as spec will be what? It will be for testing purpose. Spec will be what? Testing purpose. See, then I want to be execute this application. Okay, I want to be execute this application. How to execute this application? Notice, I'll keep it open 2 tab. One is for this one. Okay, one is for this one. I just created a project. What is the project I created? Demo, right? I have to go back to demo project. Whatever I created is, I have to go back. Did I gone inside this project? Did I gone inside the project? Did I gone inside the project? Yeah, one thing, how to run this application, we have ng serve. What is an command to run this application? ng serve. Okay, it will take minimum 2-3 minutes to compile all the things. See, once if you done it, go back to cd demo, then use ng serve. See, once if I use ng serve, if it is compiled successfully, see now what will happen? This will get executed. See, notice where it is executing? It is executing in 4200. See, without seeing anything directly, you guys can go back and just mention the same thing in the browser by saying something called about Angular 4200. See, once if I execute this one, notice It is in a browser now, website, server side. See, these all the logic they already written and they given for us. I don't want to display this data, right? I don't want to display that data. See, just I removed everything. I removed. See, notice I removed everything. See, just hi. I in H1 tab. Welcome to Angular application. Okay, Angular application. See, the beauty of the Angular is what, you know. See, without, you don't want to come back and refresh every time. See, notice here. See, just to show that what I will do, I will come back. Huh. See, notice what I will do now. See, now just here. Okay, see, now again I'll call this one called what? See here, H2 tag. Okay, H2 tag just to check. Okay, H2 tag just to check. See, check out automatically. This is updating. Where? In the browser. See, automatically it is getting and refreshing in the browser, right? Yes or no? See, you just something come back and just mention in the p tag hi. Okay, see, just notice save and automatically it will come. See, we don't want to do anything more extra things. Okay, that much powerful Java, that much powerful Angular it is. Fast development. What is this option here? Live reloading. Can you able to see live reloading? Live reloading means it is keep on, it will check this. Whatever the changes you do it, automatically it will get take this one. Automatically this will get take. Okay, for that is what we have to use ngserve. We have to use this application to run that. Then we have to go back and we have to open this one same thing in the browser. Okay, here see notice this one I have to open in the I have to open in browser. Okay, I have to open in the browser, which is a 4200 this one. Okay, I have to open this particular. These are the comments which I have to very first thing we have to follow this one. If I want to execute this, we must have to follow these particular things. Can you guys can see? I'll give you 2-3 minutes of time. Can you guys can quickly everybody do that one in 2 minutes? In 2 minutes, whoever are working it, please install it. Please install it, everyone. Okay, quickly. I'll be back in next 2 minutes. Okay, quick. These are the comments. Quickly. If anybody having any questions, let me know. I'll take that question in the chat box. Quick. See which style sheet we have to use a CSS. It will ask you to see by default just say yes, yes for that everything. That's all. Yeah. See, why routing? If I want to navigate from one page to other page, that time it was useful. So we have to choose a routing file. And again, for the CSS, it will ask you to choose a CSS only. You just choose that particular CSS file only. Okay, everybody. See, after this, it will take minimum 2 minutes of time to install everything. See, this is completely based on your internet speed. Okay, again telling all the Angular will be completely based on your internet speed. If your internet speed is good, then it will be work properly. If it is no, then it will take lot of time to do all the things. Okay. See, considering this, hope everybody done with the installation, all the things. Okay, see, how many of you guys can able to see this one once if we go with this look, once if it is see, if everything is fine, it will say compiled successfully. Okay, it will say compiled successfully. Once if it is coming compiled successfully, then we have to go back and we have to go back and check this one localhost 4200. See, once if I click this one, automatically this will get execute like this. Okay, this might be getting changing here and there. What you guys can do, you guys can go back to this one. Okay, go back to the application, open that, go back and open this one. See here, there inside this one demo, there will be a src. What will be there? There will be a src folder, we call a source folder. Under this there will be a app. See, we call this app as component. Understanding what we call this one? We call this one as component. Okay, we call this one as component. See here we have first CSS component, app.component.cs file, app.component.html file, app.component.spec file, app.component.ts file. See, we have these three files, four file. Okay, under that four file, we have to use only HTML. You just remove everything. It's fine. You just remove everything and just add this one called as what? Hi, welcome to. See, hi, welcome to web application. Hi, welcome to web application. See, now going back and check. See, automatically this will get output for us. See, if it is successfully running, now going back to browser and check this one. See, automatically reflecting here. Can you able to see everybody this one? Can everybody can able to see this one? See, welcome to web application. See, it is coming like this. Okay. See, now same like this. How many of you guys are getting this output? How many of you guys can able to see this output? If yes, you guys can just mention as a we can. If yes, just mention as we can. Everybody. I want to see the explain. I want just everybody to reply there. Okay, it is yet to installing the package. Yes, I know it will take little bit time. Okay, it is completely based on internet speed. Okay, it is completely based on internet speed. Notice. Yeah. See, it is installing. See, hope you guys already gone through the something, some of the content, right? Which already there. You guys already gone through that, I guess. The Angular part. See, still again coming back, just I will show this one how we can able to create all the things. See, notice here, this is for developing one thing, and this one is for just for compilation. Okay, I'll keep always keeping this one, and I'll prefer one other thing if I want to do anything extra. Okay, see, if I want to do anything extra, I'll come back. See, here is an Angular demo, demo, demo. Then I'll come back. Here I'll mention a CMD. Then notice here ng. Okay, 1 second. Yeah. See, notice. See, I want to be create a component. Okay. See, can you able to see this one? I wanted to create a component. See, first I will tell you what is component. See, before this, just I will show how to create a component. Okay. Can everybody can able to notice this one? See, everybody close. See, first what you guys can do. I am requesting everybody to just clearly listen the class. Simple. Okay. While I am working, you guys don't do anything. Okay. While I am working, you guys don't do anything. See, again repeating. This is not so simple to understand everything easily. Okay. Again repeating, if you guys given more concentration, then only you guys will understand. See, that is the reason. Again requesting everybody just listen my class first. Everybody just listen my class first. Later, after this, just take this audio, take this video recording, then you guys can work on it. Okay. See, yeah, fine. See, again repeating, just close everything whatever you guys are using it, in case if you are trying that one. Okay, it's fine, that's fine. Okay. Anyways, you guys will have enough time to learn all the things. You guys already gone through the video, LMS session, all the things. Again, okay, you guys already gone through the LMS session as well. Just I'll be clearing the doubt, all the things here. Okay. See, now again repeating, again I'll come back. See, now what I will do, listen carefully, everybody. Okay. See, now just for your information, just from the scratch I will show it. Okay. Open new folder, my Angular project. What I taken? My Angular project. Okay, my Angular project. Again opening the CMD. We know how to install the package, right? See, it is not required to install every time. Okay. If it is first time, then only you guys can install it. Okay, it is already installed in my case. If I can check ng version, see if I can check ng version, it is there in my case. See, I have a version called as 14. See, if I want to check npm version, see, also I have npm version also. See, all these things I have npm 8. Okay, see, I have all the things. Still, if you want to know how to install ng generate npm node package manager install -g globally @ angular/cli. This is a command which you guys have to everybody install it. So once if you install this one, in your system, the Angular package will get installed. See, Node is different, Angular is different. Okay, Node.js is different and Angular is different. See, now it is installed in Angular package in my case. If you want to check, you can check this ng version like this. Okay, see, it will be showing this. See, now I have to create a new project. Say, how to create a new project? How to create a new project? As just now we discussed how to create a new project. See, we have to use ng new demo, or it can be anything. Whatever. See, ng new Facebook, whatever the project you want. See, Facebook. See, whatever it might be. See, here you have to install. Sorry, you just have to use only one time ng new Facebook. See, it will ask you whether you want the routing file or not, whether you want to navigate from one page to other page or not. If you want to navigate, you just mention as yes. See, then it is asking you to install CSS. So once if I click this one, it will start creating the project. Okay, it will start creating the project automatically. Okay, it will start creating the project automatically. It might take 2-3 minutes to finish all this task. Okay, yeah. See, what is the beauty of this Angular is what? Again, notice here. And when I'm talking about Angular, Angular is very much interesting. Okay, if you listen carefully, again repeating. See, Angular is a component oriented. Component oriented. See, what is component oriented? See, once if you create like this ng generate component, login component. Okay, let us see the example for I'm creating one component. See, what is component, Tanesh? First of all, component is nothing but it is set of 4 files. One is what HTML, one is what .css, one is what .ts, okay, one is what .ts, and one more is what .spec.ts file. See, these are the things. Understanding everyone? These 4 files will automatically generate once if you create this one. And remember, the related to this particular HTML, if suppose if I create an external style sheet, You don't want to go back to HTML and you don't want to link this one again and again. Not at all required. Okay, if suppose even if it is a TypeScript file, which you call as JavaScript, you no need of coming back and writing this one called as what script again and again. Understanding right? This one, these everything will be auto configured by Angular. Notice how much time we are saving this one. Okay, see this is component oriented vehicle. Everything will come by default. We don't want to add anything. I'll just show the practical for this. Okay, see one is what component oriented, and the beautiful advantage of Angular is what live reloading. See, live reloading is nothing but what? It will reload this. What if something changes happen? It will reload this. If something changes happened in our application, automatically it will start reloading it. Okay, we call live reloading. Okay, it is not about the buffering all the things. Live reloading is nothing but these things will keep watch our application. Okay, if something changes happen, then automatically it will get reload. Okay, so notice here I just created a project called as just created a Facebook project. Here I want to be open one more command prompt. This is for ng server, means this is for what? Running an application. So I want to run this application. If I want to run this application, we have ng serve, Angular serve. Understanding everyone? Angular serve will be, this is going to be executing our application. See, compiled successfully. See, once if I compiled successfully, what I have to do? I have to go back to browser, just mention localhost 4200. So notice, this is what will get an output for us. See, once if it is getting an output for us, see where is this particular code? I will go back and open Visual Studio Code. See, VS Code. If I want to open this, we have code space dot. See, it will open. See, it will be there inside this source, inside app, inside this HTML file. See, I'll remove everything. Simple, I'll write h1 tag. See, hi. Notice, hi. Welcome to web application. I will come to web application. See, if I can go back and if I can check this one. See, notice. Okay, if I can check this particular things, notice. Automatically it will be reflected in the browser. Can you able to see this one, everyone? Yes? Correct? Automatically it will get reflected in the browser. See, not only for this one, see if suppose, say I'll go back to CSS. See, there is no relation between HTML and CSS, right? See, now if I can come back, see, now when it comes to body tag, say I want this background color is equal to, see background color is equal to yellow. See, when I can use this one color is what? Yellow. See, notice here, automatically this will become yellow color. See, once if I refresh this one, see going back, I just refresh these particular things. See, notice, okay, not the body. Let it be this one. See, if suppose if I can take any of these things. Okay, let me call this one in some div tag. Okay, div tag. If I can come any of the div tags here. See, if I can any of the div tags, I'll tell you what is not coming. Okay, div tag. If I can compile these particular things. Okay, if I can check this one, see, notice. Going back to browser, yes, it is coming as a background color is equal to yellow. All right. See, this simple thing just I opened and I just kept it. Okay, you just done anything if you want a style. See, if you want to do any styling, we have CSS for this. If you want to do the HTML, here we have HTML, logic TS. For this one, we have spec.ts file for testing purpose. Okay, see now we'll use only HTML, CSS and TS file. We are using HTML, CSS and TS file. Understanding? Understanding everybody? Okay. See where we have to write a logic. Here we have TS file. So TS file is nothing but what? Here TS file TypeScript file. Here we are going to writing the logic. I will show that all the things. Okay, I'll show all the things. Okay, I will show the complete that particular things. Okay, na? I'll show the complete that particular things. Okay. See now, guys, can you hear me, everybody? Yes. See, listen carefully. Just I modified only in where app component. See, when I can use this app component, automatically this will get executed in where in the browser. See, this is getting executed in the browser. Okay, na? This is where we are getting executing in the browser. See, if I want to do the changes globally, here we have external style. See, here we have style sheet. Okay, see when it comes to body tag, see here I have to write background color is equal to yellow. Now if I can execute this one, now notice automatically everything is becoming yellow color. Where? In the style sheet. You don't worry about what actually it is. Okay. See, we'll see only component, component, component. See, when I'm talking about a component, what is component? As I told, component will get generate how many files? How many files will get generated? 4 files. One is called as .html, .css, .ts, and .spec.ts. Okay, this will be what HTML bot. We know that already. What to display. Okay, CSS, how to display, look and feel. Okay, TS, when to display, logical purpose. Spec file, whatever we done it, whether it is correct or not. Correct or not. Okay, this is correct or not. See, these are the 4 files will get generated. See, for a while, just for cross verification, can we click on this one login component? Can we try to install the component? See how to create a component here. See, notice ng generate component login component. It can be any component. Can you able to see this one? See, as according to our point of view, if it is really yes, what should be the how many files it has to generate? How many files it has to generate? 4 files. See, notice, just to check, see whether it is generating 4 files. Whether this is generating the 4 file. Yes. It is generating the 4 files, right? Correct? Yeah. See, once if it is generated this 4 file, okay, once if it is generated this 4 file, see, let us go back to program here. See, where what a component I created? What's the component I created? What is the component I created? Login component. See, login component, it will generate how many files? How many files? 4 file. We tell the 4 file: HTML, CSS, spec.ts, and TS. Okay. See, listen carefully. When I execute these particular things, see which page is getting executing for us? Which is having the main component. What is main component? This is not the login. App component.html will be the main component. Can you able to see everybody? This is the main component. I have it. Understanding, right? This is a main component. I have it, which we call as what? App component will be the main component. See, I just created something called as login. I want to be utilize this component. I want to utilize this component wherein in this here main page. We call this one as a main page. Okay, see, if I want to call that one, what we have to do? Here we have a selector. We have to go back to login.component.html. There will be a app login. Okay, this app login, whichever you will create a component, right? That component you have to make it available through this application. See, once if you add this application, now notice, go to browser, see, login works. See, what is login works? Going back, login component, notice, yes, it is there here, login component. See, hence it is printing login works. Clear? If suppose here I have an h1 tag, hi, login page, hi, login page. See, if I check this one, see, notice, if I can check this, see, automatically that will come hi, login page. No need of refreshing it. Beautiful feature we have in Angular, live reloading. Clear, right, everybody? Live reloading. Clear? Huh? Yes, we call this one called as what? Live reloading. Okay? Yes. See, now I want to make this HTML page available for this particular component. how I can able to make it available for this component. Here we have a component, right? Yeah. See now, if suppose here I'll go back, hi, just to check, okay, from login component. Login component. See if I can execute this one, notice, yes, it is coming like this. I want this one in red color. If I want in red color, we must have to use style color is equal to what? Red. Correct? We have to write color is equal to red color. See, it is coming red color. But what if we have same thing again and again? What if we have same thing again and again? See, then we are going to learn, we are going to write the logic inside this where CSS file. See, here we have CSS. There itself, CSS. What is that CSS? When it comes to H1 tag, then I want this color is equal to blue color. Now if I can execute, notice automatically coming blue color. Understanding everybody? What is happening here? Understanding? Right? Good. How can we identify where we should write the code? See now here, once if you open this one, this will get this will get execute the location. Okay, this is what we are going to execute. See now, once if we compile and once if we execute all things, these things will get generated. Okay, by default, login will not be there. Only these things will be there. We have to create a component, then it will generate 4 file. Okay. Quickly do that. Create a component, everyone. Create this component, everybody. Create the component and try to add that particular things in HTML page like this. See, just I wanted to know what is your understanding. Quickly do that. Quickly do that, everyone. Fast. Yes, quick. Everybody quickly try this one. Okay, if you guys just analyze this program, just that simple is this much is enough. Analyze that one. So as we creating the component, ng generate component name. As soon as we create a component here, see this will generate kind of 4 file. One is HTML, spec.ts, ts and CSS. These 4 files will be combination of these things. See, we don't want to use the link tag to link all the things. We don't want to do all such things. Okay, automatically the Angular itself, it will do all the job. Angular itself, it will do the job. Okay. Right? Clear, right? This one till now? Clear? Till now? You must have to practice a lot. Okay. See again repeating. When I can go back, see I don't have anything inside this app component. I don't have anything inside this login component or anything. See now again I'll revise everything. See now I removed HTML, CSS also I'll remove it. Okay, I'll remove CSS also, everything. See, I just opened this one, my component HTML, it is not there anything. See, hence it will not print any of the output for a while. Okay. See, I'll just call H1 tag. Okay. Web application demo. Okay, na? Web application demo. See, now if you want to do the styling for this one, here itself we can do. Where? In H1 tag. See, H1 tag, color is equal to blue color. See, color is equal to blue color. Okay, color is equal to blue color. See, when I can click on color is equal to blue color, see, notice automatically it's coming. See, you don't want to refresh one thing, it is auto refresh, right? And see, notice, see, if you write anything HTML code here, see, whether you are using any link tag to add this CSS, nowhere. Automatically it is adding. Where? In your component TSFile. See, this component will get execute when, if it is HTML, this is the page. If it is a style, this is the style. Like this. Okay, see, we are going to play with the multiple pages here. Be careful while learning. Okay, means related to that particular pages, we are going to writing the logic. See, now I want to be create a login component, but separately one creating HTML, creating a CSS, creating the logic, and testing it, all the things. See, again coming back, adding the CSS to HTML or writing the CSS TS file to HTML. I don't want to do such things. I want the ready-made solution. See, as soon as you create a component, automatically it will generate 4 file. See, like this. Okay, see, by default nothing is there. See, here I'll call h1 tag. Hi, I am from login. Okay, I am from login. See, I just want to execute this one. Hi, I am from login, right? See, notice here, it is not getting any output. See, I want to be design this particular component. I want to be design this particular component. Okay, app component. Or I want to be design this. I want to be add this particular component to main component. Main is which file? The main file which we call as app.component.ts file. So you just create thousands of component. You just create thousands of component. At the end, you have to add that one to app.component.ts file, HTML file you have to add. Sir, how to add that one? In the login component, we have which file? This is, what is this file we call as what? What is this file? What is this file we call as? TS file, right? See, this TS file, inside this TS file, we have a selector. This selector, notice here, this selector, I have to copy and I have to go back to HTML. Here I have to write that. How to write? As a tag. As a tag I have to write. See, now check out, automatically it will get output for us. Okay, na? Is it clear, everybody? What's happened? Yes? Clear? This clear, right? Clear? Yeah. See, such a way is what I will do. I want to be create one other component. Let's see. See, register component I want to create. What component I have to create? Register component. How to create a component? Can someone can help me now? How to create a component? I want to create a register component. I want to create a register component. Yes. See, not NO, NG. G means generate. G means generate. C means component. Register. Okay. Register component. See, now how many files it will generate? How many files it will generate? Again 4. See, again 4. See, when I can go back to here, see, login component, a register component. See, register component, yes, we have a register work. I will call h1 component. Hi, welcome to registration page. Okay. See, I want to make use this registration page. How to do that? How to do that? I want to make execute of this registration page in the app component. How to do that? I have to use app-register, right? See, where I have to copy from? I have to copy from TS file, right? Notice in the TS file, what section I have to copy? What section I have to copy? Selector. And this selector, where I have to paste? In app component. See, notice here I'll come back. See, here again, notice here if I execute this one, notice in the browser, see, automatically it is coming. Welcome to register component. See, both are coming at a time for us. Understanding, everybody? Understanding? Understanding, right? Correct? Yes. See, this much clear, everyone? Right? See, again repeating, this is a very much important. You guys have to listen carefully, everybody. Okay? Yes, good. See, now we just created this two component. Okay, I just created a login component and register component. See, but I haven't written any logic for this particular things, right? See, if I want to write separate logic, see now, notice here I removed everything. See, in the home component, what are the things I have? See, only these two component I am coming. See, where is this this login component? Login component is in here. Where here? See, if suppose if I want this one, see form tag. See, I will call this one. See, notice here, form tag, form tag. See here, I'll call. See, notice name. See username. Username. Input type is equal to text. Okay, input type is equal to text. Name is equal to user. Okay, na? See again, put a br tag. Okay, put a br tag. Okay, put a br tag. Now notice password. Password colon input. Input type is equal to. Input type is equal to. Let me take as a text only. And again name is equal to pass. Okay, br. See now input type is equal to submit. Okay, value is equal to login. Okay, value is equal to login. Understanding? If I can check these particular things, see now notice going back to browser, see automatically this is added. See, as soon as we create a component, as soon as we create a component, automatically notice here in the app component what we are doing. The app component what we are doing here. We are adding. See, if you are not adding this one, see now check out that will not come for us. See, it's not coming. If I add that one, see now check out that is also coming along with me. Is it coming? Coming, right? Yes or no? Understanding? Yeah. See, now anyways, just we added an app component, this one. See, we must have to add. See here in the login page, this is separate page. Okay, see, this is separate page. See, tomorrow if I want to utilize same thing in other project, easily we can able to reuse this component. Because, see, this is HTML I written here. Correct? This is HTML code I written here. See, if I want to do the style, see now, I will call div tag. Okay, see, div tag. Okay, now this particular div tag, what I will do? Okay, this particular div tag, what I will do now? Okay, see notice here what I will do this particular div tag. Okay, yeah, see now check out if I can execute. Yes, it is coming same output. What if I want this particular output as a I want to write a style. See ABC style or dot login. You can call anything. Okay, dot login or ABC file. See where to write a style? Where to write a style? See here we don't have to write using style tag or all the things. See now going back and write it inside CSS. There itself we have a CSS. Okay. See if it is a class followed by dot. See notice, yeah. See now I will call this one as what background color is equal to pink. See when I can execute this one, notice automatically it is coming. Is it coming pink automatically? Yes or no? See what if I want in the middle? See now you can come back. See width is equal to I can call 50% width. Okay, 50% width I can call. Now check out. Yes, it is coming 50%. See you want a margin. See notice coming back margin. You can call this one margin full margin 300 pixel. Okay, it will come in the middle. See like this. See you can do anything styling you want. See all these options are available for us. Understanding component. This is how. See if tomorrow if somebody wants to use this particular login component CSS file, they can use it. See now also we can able to log in this. See we can pass the data from one component to other component, or we can pass the data from HTML to TS file. That I will show it with you. Till now all clear everybody? Till now clear? Clear? Yes. See login component. See this is what component based. This is what we call as what component based. Login component and register component. Okay, login and register component. See here, if I want to navigate from one component to other component, see, I don't want to utilize like this. Okay, see, this is login component, and when it goes to register page, see here register page, I want to do that. Okay, see, I'll call again form tag, again form tag. Okay, again form tag here. See here, I'll call this one as what? Name. Okay, input type is equal to text. Okay, input type is equal to text. Name is equal to uname. Put a br tag. Okay, password colon input type is equal to uh, text. Let me take as a text only. Name is equal to upass. Okay, again br tag, and again date of birth. Input type is equal to date. Okay, see value is equal to date of birth. Okay, date of birth. See now I'll call this one called as what? Select option. Select. I can call this one called as what? Option I can call. See select option. Select option. Here we have something called as what? I can select anything. Qualification if I want to call. So here I'll call qualification. Qualification if I can call this one. See here I'll call this one called as what? BE. Okay. See same like this again coming back. Option. Okay. See here I'll call this one called as MTech. Okay. Here I'll call this one called as what? Option. Okay. See here I'll call option. MBA. See like this I can able to do. See now check out. See both the things are getting executing for us, right? So at the end if I want to click something, see input type is equal to, I'll call input type is equal to submit. Okay, and value is equal to, I'll call, see value is equal to register. See value is equal to register, I'll call. See now if I can execute this one, notice yes it is coming like this. Okay, now see it is coming like this. See now check out, yes. See login page, and here we have a registration page. Correct? Here we have a registration page. See by default both the things it's coming. See my requirement is what? When I click that, then only this has to come. If I can click login page has to come. When I can click register, then the registration page has to come. That is what my requirement. Can we do that? Can we do that? Can we do that? Yeah. See before this, I want everybody to revise this. I want everybody to revise this. The flow, how it is getting executing. See, I don't know. Can someone can tell me how this is getting executing the flow? You just guide me. I will go through it. See, as soon as application run using 4200, where this will go? First thing, it will go to which component? Login, register, or app? Which component it will go? Out of three. See, for a while, yes. See, you just listen for a while app component. See, before that, actually speaking, it is used to go with index.html. See, inside this index.html, we are writing the logic. See, here notice, here we have app route. See, we call Angular is what? Single page application, right? We call Angular will be what? Single page application, correct? Yes or no? When we are using this one 4200, see, this is the only one file this will get executed for us. This is the only one file will get executed for us. See this inside this body, notice what we have? What we have? What we have? App root. Where is an app root? App root is in app component. Notice here we have on this one. This will be the first. This will be the first execution part. See, it will go to app component.html. See, once if it is go to app component, see, it will go to login or register. Which one? First one will be. First one will be. Login. See, then second one will be. Second one will be. Register, right? Second one will be register. Okay, na? See, notice here what we'll do. Okay, see, once if it is it will go to login page. See, inside is login. Where it will go first? Inside is login. Where it will go? CSS, HTML, spec or TS? Which one? Where it will go? Inside is login. Where it will go? Out of 4 file. Out of 4. Can someone can quickly? Yes. Good. Good. Yeah. It out of 4 file. Which file it will go? HTML, right? Actually speaking, it will go to TS file. See, inside is TS file. Notice here. See, I just mentioned this one. What I mentioned? App login, right? Where is an app login? Inside is TS file. See, app login here. Everybody? App login? Yes or no? Inside this, we have, when it comes to template URL, it will go to, when it comes to template, it will go to HTML. When it comes to CSS, then it will go to CSS file. See, then it will go to what? HTML file now. See, where is an HTML file? Here we have an HTML file. We have this content, that content will be displayed over there. Okay, if you want to style anything, you can also style like this. See, if it comes to H1 tag, I want color is equal to red color. Which component? Login component. See, red color it will come. See, like this. See, what is the use of spec file? This is for testing purpose. I will explain this one. No need of testing anything. Okay. See, like example, see, user, you will enter username password. Okay. See, if the user enters both the things, then what? See, if the user enters nothing, then what? If the user enters only one, what we have to do? See, we have to test ourselves as a unit tester. That we'll talk about later. See, this much clear, everyone? This much clear, everybody? Component oriented. See, component, just we created 2 component. Correct? How many component we created? 2 component we created. Simple. See, if you guys want to revise this particular one, you just tell me, go to this file, go to that file. I'll go to that file and I'll show it to you guys. Okay. If you want to know, if you want to see the code, you just tell me, sir, go to this particular file. Go to this particular file. Just I'll go and I'll inform you. Quick. Any file? Do I want to go with any file? Do I want to go to any file or just clear with it? Okay. Do I want to go? Is it inbuilt defined? No, no. See, this is not the inbuilt one, guys. See, this is not the inbuilt one, which I created, right? This is not the inbuilt one. No. See, if suppose see login, say I can come back, I can create one other component. See, like this. See, now coming back, instead of this one, I'll come back log one or login one. Login one. You can create anything. Say once if I create a login one, see, it is generated again 4 file. Again going back, see login one is a component. See again here h1 tag. See, notice here h1 tag. I'll call h1 tag just to check. Okay, just to check. Okay, just to check login one component. Login one component. Okay. See, if I can execute this one login one component. See, notice here I'll copy this selector. I'll copy this selector. Go back to this HTML, and after this one I'll put as some HR tag. Then if I can paste it here. See, if I can execute this, notice. Yeah, see, if I execute, see, just to check login one, it is coming. Means this is not the predefined one. You can create anything whatever we want. Okay. Understanding? Understanding, right, everyone? Yeah. Clear? Any doubts so far? Okay, guys, what I will do, just give me 2 minutes of time. 2 minutes only. I'll just explain one more topic, okay? Just till the time you just revise everything. If you want to know more, just revise everybody. Quick. 2 minutes, I'll be back. Okay, fine. Sorry. Thank you. Okay. See, guys, just do you guys have any doubt in this particular part till now? Whatever we discussed so far. Till now, whatever we discussed so far. Hope anybody having any doubt? No. If anybody having any doubt, do let me know. I'll explain once again. Okay, all clear? All clear? Hmm. Good. Okay. After compile, my command prompt will get stuck. So, okay. See, after compile, see, sometimes even if it is getting stucking, just go back and just enter, just press here enter. Okay, just press here enter, automatically that will get execute. Just press here, automatically that will get execute. Okay. Any questions so far? No? Okay, clear, right? Yes. Okay, good, super. See, now, see, by mistake, guys, listen carefully. While writing, if you miss something, then you will get an error. See, notice, I intentionally I'll miss this one. Okay, see, if I can check this one, notice error. See, if I can go back to browser, see, check out, see, you cannot able to see the output. So you cannot able to see the output. See, you guys should know where it is coming an error. Okay, see, it is showing this line number 6. See, this is something here it is missing. Okay, now going back, go back to this particular application, then close it. Okay, see, we haven't closed. If I execute now, see, it will get executed. See, it will also compile successfully here. See, it will get successful. See, like this. Okay, see, if you find it any difficulties or if you find it any errors in this particular application, it will show it in the console part where where you are running this application, right? See here, where you are running this application, there it will show that. Okay, clear? So till now I created 3 component. How many components? How many component I created so far? How many component I created so far? Login component, register component, and as well as login one component. See, just to show that I created this component. Correct? Component. Component means what? It will generate the 4 file. It will be, that will be what? Consists of 4 file: HTML, CSS, TypeScript, and spec.ts file. This will get generated. See, component. Understanding? This is what we call as what? Component. See, notice here, under that, under this component, see, like example, see, I will create a something component called as what? Loan component. See, ng generate component loan. Ng generate component. What is the component name? What is the component name? Component name called as what? Loan. Correct? I create a component called as loan. See, if I can go back and check this one, see, check out, we have a loan component. See, very first one. Correct? How to execute this loan component? Just copy this. Going back here. See, now notice everybody carefully. Guys, see where I have to paste it? I have to paste it here. See, I have to paste this one here, loan component. Okay. See, if you want all these things, you guys can utilize. If you don't want, you can comment. See, now if I can check, see, only one component which we call as what? Loan works. See, what is loan works? Where is this loan work? See, if I can click this one, loan component, it will go to this particular HTML. Okay, then it will be here. Notice, yes, here it will be what? Loan component. Understanding everyone? Understanding everybody? Right? Okay. Clear? See, under that loan component, see, now my requirement is what? See, this is what the component, right? What is it? Loan component. Under this loan component, under the loan component itself, see, under the loan component itself, I want to be create another components. See, copy the path, going back, see, notice, cd space, yeah. See, when I can click on this one, see, now where we are in which path? We are in which path? Which component? We are in main, we are in Facebook. See, before this we are in Facebook. It was creating the component where in SRC. Now we are inside app and we are inside loan. Okay, we are inside loan. See, if I can click this one, okay, if I can generate a component. See, loan means what? Multiple types of loan will be there. Correct? Multiple types of loan will be there. Correct? What are the types of loans are there? What are the types of loans are available? Ah, what are the types of loans are available? Yes, see, we have many other types of loans. See, like NG, generate, component, personal loan. Okay, personal loan. See now, check out. See, it will create a one component. See, I created a component, personal loan component. Where it is created? Under the loan component. See, now loan. See, under the loan component, how many components we have? One component. See, it might be multiple loans. See, loan component, personal loan component, car loan. Okay, it might be car loan, or it might be what? It might be home loan. It might be home loan. Okay, na? See, it might be home loan, or it might be education loan. See, it might be anything. Okay, see, it might be anything. See, when I can go back, see, under the loan, see, login loan component, login one, register one. See, register one, nothing. Login one, nothing. Login, nothing. See, loan, again we have car loan, education loan, home loan, personal loan. See, we call this one called what? Child component. What we call? What we call? Child component. Okay, see, first of all, component itself, it will generate how many files? Component itself, it will generate how many files? Dot .html, okay, dot .css, okay, dot .ts, and dot .spec.ts file. Okay, see, under that, if I want to be create again sub component, see, like example, what? Loan will be one component. Okay, as I created. See, under this loan might be there many other things. Okay, for that one, we have education loan, car loan, home loan. It might be personal loan. See, kind of like again for this one education loan, again four, again HTML, again dot CSS, again TS file, again dot spec.ts file. Okay, spec.ts file. See, kind of like this. See now, if I can execute this one, notice, yeah. See, again under the loan, we have these are the things. Inside is again we have like this. Okay, I will show how to use that particular things for a while. Till now, this one understood everybody? Till now, this much understood everyone? Yes? Okay? Correct? Yeah. See, now, I know this how to execute all these components. See, it might be app component, it might be register, it might be login, it might be loan. See, now check out. See, loan, under the loan, we have car, education, personal, and home. See, these four things are child. Which is parent for this, all the four? Which is parent for all these four component? Which is parent for all these four component? Loan will be the parent for all the four component. Correct? See, the parent component selector, which we are using this parent component selector, I am placing it into app component. This one here. Okay, see, this is a parent component is getting executing. See, parent should carry all the childs now. Who should carry all the childs? See, suppose if I want to execute personal loan, see now coming back, personal loan, I will be mentioning inside its where loan component.html. See, notice here. If I execute now, check out. See, it is coming one. This one also. See, like this. Personal works. Okay. See now. Who is carrying this one? Now check out. See, loan.html. See, loan.ts file. I am copying this one and executing in the HTML. See, this will be calling this HTML. This TS file is calling this HTML. This HTML is having these all the things. Such a way is home. See, if I want to call app home, I can also call app home. See, here also come back and going back to this HTML and call this one app home. See, like this. See, do you want to call education? Say app-edu. Correct? See, if you want a car loan, app hyphen car. See, now notice all these things will get executed. See, all these things will get executed. See, if suppose if I can come back and if I can comment out this particular one, see, if I can comment out this particular one, see, this will be commented entire component plus child component. Entire component plus child component. Correct? See, this particular loan component is carrying this component. Okay, this one. This will be this HTML. This HTML is carrying all the 4 components. See, just quickly revise everybody. Quickly revise everyone. Just analyze. Analyze everybody. If you guys having any doubt, please do let me know quick. What I want to show that one here in this, if you want to switch to any other tab, please do let me know. See why? Because we are working with a multiple tabs now. We are working with multiple tabs now. Okay, quick. Quick. Any confusion or anything till now? So far all clear, everybody? So far all clear? How to create a component? How to create a these all the stuff? How to create a child component and parent component. Clear? A parent component is nothing but generally we used to create a component. See, child component is nothing but we have to navigate to the till the parent component. See, like example, see here we are using loan. See, login, these all things normal generally sibling component we call, or it's just normal component. See, here we have created a loan component. Under this, if you want to create, we have to create like this. Okay, we have to go back to loan and till inside this we have to create this one. Clear? Clear? Any doubts so far, guys? Clear, right, everybody? Quick response first. Quick. Clear, everybody? Okay. See, fine. See, all right. See, now here we have an option. See, now I don't know. See, now what we'll do? See, we'll create a simple one. Okay. Uh, see, now based on this loan component, we just created a child component. Okay, na? See, now my requirement is what? Let me ask some of the things. Okay, here what we'll do? What we have for these things is education, all these things, right? Fine. Okay. Child component. Like example, bank. Under this bank, okay, under this bank, see we have something called as what? Loan, right? See, loan will be one thing, and deposit. See, deposit will be what? Under this deposit again we have RD, recursion deposit, correct? Or we call fixed deposit, FD. See, this deposit will be the main component. Under this RD and FD will be the child component. Like inside this loan we have vehicle loan. Okay, vehicle loan. Here we have home loan. Here we have home loan, and here we have something called education loan. Here we have personal loan. Correct? See, such a this I want to be created deposit to the main component. Under this I have to create two child component. How to create two child component? First, one main component under this child component. Can someone guide me how to create this? Can someone can guide me how to create that one? Huh? Quick. I don't know how to create. Can someone can guide me? Fast. Okay, see now cd dot dot. Okay, cd dot dot, cd dot dot. See again came back to. Okay, let me open this one from where. Okay, see now check out. I'll open it in the same folder. Okay, see now going back. Go back to the simply learn and web Angular demo Facebook. Open this one. See once if I open this, Facebook will get open. See ng generate component deposit. Correct. Good. Good. See like this. See deposit. See now once if I create a deposit component. See now check out. Let us really created or not. Is it created a deposit component? Yes, it is created. Under the deposit again I have to create two component. How to create? Okay. Yes. Good. See now cd space. Where I have to navigate? src folder. Again cd space. Where I have to go? App. Again cd space. Cd space. Again deposit. Now ng generate component fd. See I will call fd means fixed deposit. Okay, fixed deposit. And I will call rd. Rd will be what? Recursion deposit. See now if I can go back and if I can check this one, see notice, see under this loan 4 component, under this deposit 2 component, fixed deposit and as well as rd, recursion deposit. Understanding everybody how this thing is getting executing? Clear? Clear? Yes, parent has to carry these particular tags. Okay, parent has to carry this particular tag. See, not only that reason, see recommended parent has to carry that. See, let us see that example. See app component. Okay, see now let us comment out this one. Okay, let us comment out this. See now, if I want to call this one, see now what we call deposit, right? See deposit, I want to be go back and use the deposit here. See which one? Selector. Where I have to use the selector? Inside is app component, correct? See inside is app component. See app component. I am using an app component. See if I can use it in app component, notice, yes, this will get execute. Correct. Okay. See deposit works. But see once if I use this deposit work, I ought to carry these two things as well. How to carry these two things? These particular things where I have to carry. These particular things I have to paste it in where? rd.component.ts file. I want to paste it in where? Where I want to paste? Where I want to paste? Try. Yes, in the HTML. Which HTML? I have to go back to this. See now rd component.ts file, right? See this rd I want to paste in parent component.html. See here. See here coming back and execute. See now check out. Yes, it will be fine. See such as this what? App hyphen. If it is an FD, come back and mention as an FD. Now check out. See this FD will get executed. See both the things. See it doesn't mean that I have to be copy and execute here only. No. You can copy this component, you can reuse this wherever you want. See either you can copy and paste it inside this parent only. See this fd and rd I am pasting into the parent.html, right? See either you can call there or you can come back and directly utilize even in this component also. See just to show that if really want to check this one, see now coming back, HR tag, notice here directly you can paste. See now check out, still it will get the 2 output. It doesn't mean that only parent has to carry that. No, there is nothing rules. That is what are recommended. Parent has to carry. Else you can carry anywhere wherever you want. You can reuse that one. Okay. See like example. See now. See it doesn't mean that I have to paste it inside this only app component. No, that is a wrong concept. Like example. See loan component I have. This loan component or login component. See login component or TS file. These things we used to recommendedly, I used to paste it in where? App component, correct? Like this, here I used to paste this one, correct? See, notice, I used to paste this one here, where? Here. See, either you can paste it here, it will be still works fine. But my requirement is what? I don't want to paste this one there, okay? I don't want to paste. I want to paste where in FD. Where is FD? FD is in deposit. Okay, deposit here. See, in this HTML I want to paste. See, also you can paste. You can utilize wherever you want. This is an your option. You can utilize wherever you want that comp. You can reuse that one. No need of copying here, there, all the things. Everything is possible here. You can utilize this any of the component in anywhere in this one. Okay? Clear, right, everybody? Clear, everybody, in this one so far? Clear so far? Okay? Clear so far? Any doubt? Any doubt so far? Clear? Clear, right, everybody? How we can able to create a component. See, notice here, the major advantage of the component is what? Everything will be by default there itself. See, related to FD component. See, here you can relate it to that. You can style here only. You can design HTML. You can test here only. And yes, and you can able to even write the logic here also. See, writing the logic I will show you. Writing the logic I will show you. Okay. Writing the logic I will show you. But still, just to show this, here there we can able to use that one. Okay. Any doubt so far? Any doubt? Any doubt? Clear, right, everybody? Uh, can we use parent component in child? Yeah, you can use in parent component in child also. Possible. Possible. That will also work. This comment is not available for running this. Not available when they're running in Angular CLI outside workspace. Getting this error. Kiran, see what you have to do. Uh, see, if suppose if we can come back and see now check out here I am in NG server, right? See now if I can come back, see notice I am just done. See inside this Angular folder, you just created ng new demo. Okay. See after hitting enter, after creating the project, there itself you guys are doing this ng server. See when I can click on ng server, notice. See obviously this error will come for us. See what you have to do. You have to go back to project first. Then you do ng server. Then this will get executed for you. That will get perfectly executed for you now. Okay. Clear? Clear, everybody? Okay, then that will get executed. See, then once it will get compiled successfully, then go back and just check this one called localhost 4200, same thing. Okay, localhost 4200, same thing. Understanding everyone? See, this is what we call as what component. Okay, component. See, now hope you guys know this. What is component? See, interviewer they will ask, what is component? What is component in Angular? See, our component is nothing but what? It is set of 4 file. Set of 4 file, which is called as one is HTML, CSS, TS, and spec.ts. Spec.ts file. See, and this will by default it will be what sibling components. Siblings. See, can we create a child component for sibling? Yes. How to create? We have to go back inside the project. Then we can able to create this child. Okay, how to create a component? ng generate component name, or see ng generate component name. See demo. See, you can also create like this ng component, that also you can work. See, you can come back. See, if you can click like this also, it will be fine. See, inside is deposit, just for demo I am creating. Okay, inside deposit only, demo creating. See, notice inside is deposit, demo created. See, means ng generate component. Also you can write like this, instead of writing shortcut gc, right? You can also write generate and component. All right, everybody. Clear? Clear it, everybody? Clear? Any doubts so far? Okay, how to use Bootstrap? Yeah, that I will tell you that. Okay, that all the things I will explain you. Now, for a while, this one simple example, how I can able to create a component, child component, parent component, all the things. Okay, child component, parent component, all this. See, once if I done with this thing, now I will show how to use routing file. See, how to navigate from one component to other component. See, once if we know this how to navigate from one component to other component, then we'll see how to style more style, how to use Bootstrap, and how to use all the other things. I'll explain all the things, rest of the things. See, before going to the routing part, see, you should know what is component. Simple word. See, you should completely aware of it. What is component? Clear? Clear, right, everyone? Any doubts so far? Any doubts so far? All clear? Okay. Yeah. See, now what we do, we'll come back. Uh, routing. See, first the building blocks of element in an Angular we call as what? The major feature in an Angular. See, which everybody must know this one. See, one is what? Component. Okay. One is what? Component. And one more see, this is one is what? Component, and the rest one more. You see, these are the things you must know. This one, see, component, child component, parent component, sibling component, how to utilize the selector, all the things you should know that one. Okay. See, then once if we aware of this one, see, now we are going to learn something called what? Routing. Okay. See, routing means what? Navigate from one page to other page. See, one page to other page. See, in HTML, what we are using to navigate from one page to other page? We are using, which tag we are using for that? Which tag we are using for that one to navigate from one page to other page? A tag, right? Anchor tag we call. See, here we don't have an anchor tag. See, in an Angular, they will support us completely using routing concept. Okay. See, it might be very first day, it might be looking something bit tedious, but day by day, it will be very easy if you really practiced it. Then only it will be little easy. Otherwise, it will not be easy. Okay. Fine. See, now what we'll do, we'll learn routing. Okay. When we can learn the routing? See, now the time is what? 15, it means 21. Okay. We'll come back at 21:20. 20 minutes of break. Okay. Then we'll start the session. Okay. Okay. Clear? 20 minutes of break. We'll come back and we'll start the session. Clear? Okay. Yeah. Fine. We'll meet up. Thank you. to select. To select. Yeah, guys, hope you guys can hear me, everyone. Hope you guys can hear me, right? Right? Yes. Okay. Super. Super. Fantastic. Yeah. So when I'm talking about the component, hope everybody clear with what is component and how to create a component, parent component, child component, how to access the component from one component to other component. See what we wanted to check while accessing the component. We have to carefully notice this. This is the selector which we have to select. Right? The main thing is what selector we have to select this one. Correct? Correct? Okay. Yes. See, uh, here what we can do now. See whatever the here we created a component, right? See, we created multiple components. See, we created all these components. See, here we created all these components. We call as deposit component, loan component, login component. See, login one component, register component. See, these are the components I just created. Correct? I just create all this component. Correct? Correct? Yeah. See then how I can able to navigate from see, I wanted something kind of a link. Okay, see, I want to navigate from one component to other component. See, is there any option that where I can able to navigate from one component to other component? See, like example, what I wanted to create a component. See, like this. Okay, which component? Let me call back cd dot. I'll call. Okay, yes. See here. Okay, na? See now I want to be create something components here like this. Okay, see ng generate component uh, service. Okay, here VIC service. Okay, service. Okay, na? Clear? Clear? Fine. See now is that ng service. See yes, sir. See here we have something called what service component called service component. See here we have contact us. Contact contact us. Okay, na? Contact us. Contact us. Okay, na? See service contact us gallery. Okay, gallery component. Understanding? And this total how many component I created? See, and I'll call home component. Okay. See home component. I'll call what a component I'll call ng generate component home component. See total how many component I created? 4 component I just created here. See notice here when I can go here. See contact us, gallery component, home component. home component, service component. There are 4 component I created. Correct? Correct. Total 4 component I created. Correct? Can you able to see this one, everybody? 4 component I just created. Correct? Which are the component I just created here? Which are the component I created? Huh. Gallery, contact us, service, and as well as home. Correct? Yeah. See, now I'll go back to main component. See, now let me put an HR. See, now if I can go with the browser. Yeah. See, let us take a simple example. Shall I remove this one? I'll remove this one. See, hope you guys are already understood. A home component not created it. I don't know. I didn't notice this. Okay, ng. Okay, not busy, right? See, this is what we call about ng. Sorry, ng generate home component. Okay. Yeah. See, the total component I just created here. See, now I, as you guys already aware of it, just I wanted to just comment out this one. Okay, simple. See, here I'll call h1 tag. H1 tag. I'll call welcome to web app. Okay, simple welcome to web app. Okay, now going back here. See, now check out here. See, yes, anyways, already there, right? Somewhere I written this one. Okay, somewhere I written this one. Okay. Okay, somewhere I written this. Yeah. See, now here I'll call this one something called as what? HR. Okay, HR tag. Just to show that. See, HR tag. Okay, now see, now here what I will do, A tag. See, simple A tag only I'll take it. Okay, A tag, home component. Okay, na. See, again A tag. I'll contact us component. Okay, see, now again A tag. I'll call this one called what? Gallery component. Okay, gallery component, and A tag service component. Okay, service now. Service component. See, if I can execute this one, notice, yes, it is coming as let me call in h3 tag, and this h3 tag I will be enclosed here. Okay, control A, control K, control F. Okay, all right, now execute. Yeah, see, it is coming here, but just to divide myself, that I'll call divider. I'll call divider like this. Okay, can you able to see this one divider, everybody? Yes, this one also again I'll take it one more time. Okay, we call this one pipeline. Pipe we call. Okay, pipe we call. Okay, na. See, now when I can execute this, you notice, yes, it is coming like this. But as it is an, say I wanted to mention href, right, for this one to come as a link, right? This is what my requirement, href. Okay, this is what the link href. Okay, see, I should call this href to print the. If I can go with this, notice, can you able to see everybody this one? Home, contact us, gallery, and service. Can everybody can able to see this one? Correct? Everybody can able to see this. But whether it is navigating from, when I can click on contact us, it going to the contact us page? No, right? It is not even going to that any of the page. See, it might be something called this HTML. Okay, targeted we need, right? See, targeted, it might be what gallery. Okay, see, now let me call. See, where is this one? I'll copy the relative path. See, now I'll go back here. See, now instead of this one, I'll paste it here. See, now will it might come now? See, now check out. See, when I can come. See, is it coming? No. Might be contact us page. Let me go back to contact us page. See, now this is what HTML I wanted to run. Copy the relative path. Go back and paste it here. Will it works now? Now check out. Let us check. See, it is it working now? Is it working? Is it working? No, right? It is not working. See, now remember. See, if that is not, if this is not, okay, if this is not, okay, if it is not, then how I can able to do this one? Guys, listen here. Hope everybody is listening, right? Hope everybody is listening, right? See, we have to perform 3 operations. See, 3 operations we have to perform. Okay, one is what? Router outlet, router outlet, one thing. This router outlet I want to be add down somewhere. I want to add it. First step clear, everybody. What we have to do? First step clear, router outlet. What we have to do? Okay. See, the second step will be what? I want to be use the router link. Okay, router link. Where to instead of see, notice instead of href, what we used to use? Router link. What we have to use? What we have to use? We have to use router link. Okay, router link. Okay, router link we have to use. See, notice here, and again same like this I will use everywhere router link. See, second step clear, everybody? See, then I don't want to use href for a while. Listen carefully, this is very much important. Okay, I'm going very bit slow. This one understood, everybody? See, when I can call this one called as home, I want to go back to home. Contact I want to go. Gallery, I want to go to gallery. Service. So when I can click service, it has to go to service page. Okay, na? Understanding, right, everybody? See how this will get executed for us. How this will get executed for us. Let's see that one. Okay, let's see that particular things. Okay, see when I can execute this. See, now check out. See, router outlet we have. See, and again I clicked on this thing, but I am not executing this anywhere. See, where is path? See, when I can click on this, see, click on this, see home, it is not going anywhere, right? Whether it is going anywhere? No. Is it going anywhere? Nowhere, right? No. See, first step and second step. First step will be what? This one. Okay, first step will be what? This one. See, second step will be what? This one. Okay, second step will be what? These particular things. Understanding? Understanding? Third step, see, third step is an important. See, we have router file. Okay, we have which file? Which file we have here? See, notice here, somewhere we have a routing file. See, while creating the project, we just given something, right? See, do you want to create a routing file? It was asking for us. Do you want to create a routing file? What you guys have given there? What you guys have given there? See, when it was asking this, when it was asking about this, do you want to create a routing file? What you guys have done? Entered. What you guys have entered? Yes, you mentioned, right? See, as soon as you mentioned yes, automatically this file will get generated there. Which file will get generated? app.routing.module.ts file. Okay? app.routing.module.ts file will get generated for us. Okay, as soon as you create this, this file will get generated. Okay? Clear, everybody? Okay, see, once if you create this, see, can you able to notice this one? There is a line number 4. See, in this line number 4, what you guys can do? You guys can come back and you guys can write your own path. Open bracket. See, when it comes to this particular path, notice carefully, I want to go back to which component? When someone enter this home component, I want to go back to which component? Home component. See, automatically imported. We don't want to import manually. See, automatically it will import. We don't want to import. Understanding? Yes. See, the second one, see, when it comes to service, which component I have to go? Which component I have to go? Service component, correct? Again, open bracket. When it comes to what? When it comes to gallery. See, when it comes to gallery component, when it comes to gallery component, I have to go back to gallery component. Okay. Yes. Now notice, yes, open bracket, path. When it comes to after path, contact as service, I think contact, I guess we have, right? Yeah, when it can click on contact, then I want to go back to which file, which component. See, contact as component. Contact as component. See, these are the 4 files. See, now notice, when I can execute this, see, check the URL. See, home. Is it coming home work? Home working is fine. See, contact us, clicking contact us page coming. Gallery, gallery page is coming. Service, service page is coming. Correct? Yes or no? Is it working fine? Yes or no? Yeah. See, again, I'll repeat this once again. I know this very once. If I explain this, it might be difficult for you guys. So just again, I'm repeating this. Okay. Again, I'm repeating all this step. Notice here, you must have to know. Okay. So you must have to know here how to write this particular path. Okay. See, now again, copy this one. Simple. Just I'll show this where I can able to write this one. Okay. Commenting out and just I'll keeping it here just for your understanding purpose. Okay, na? Yeah. Now just completely I remove this one. I don't know what actually this is. Okay. I just remove all the things. Okay. Simply HR tag. When I can go to HR tag, see, I don't have anything now. Okay. I don't have anything now. Do I have anything now? Do I have anything now? No, right? Correct? Yeah. See here what I have to do now. 1 second. Let me take this one to little bit top. Okay. Fine. Okay. See, first one is what I want to create a 4 link. For what link I have to create? One is what? Home. One is what again? Gallery. Next. A. Contact us. Then again A tag. What we have? Home. Gallery. Contact us. Then one more. We have something called as what? Contact us gallery service. Correct? We have service. Service. Okay. See, when I can execute this one, notice it is coming all the things. Let me put some pipeline. Okay. Just to identify this. Okay. Just to identify this, put some pipeline. Put some pipeline. And here also. See, notice. Yes, it is coming like this. But it is not like HREF. See, we don't have HREF option to navigate from one page to other page. See, hence it will not work out for us. Correct? See, if we know already we know this, HREF will not be work out for us. Correct? HREF will not be work out for us. Correct? Then how I can able to do this one? If there is no HREF, what we have to do? What we have to do for this? What I have to do? Router. First step is what? We have to add our router outlet where you are using these particular things. Now check out, still it is not about anything. The major thing is what? You should know what is a router link. When I can use router link, okay, this is what here we have to mention the path. Okay, so here we will mention the path. Okay, now here we will mention the path. What path? When it comes to home, what to do? Okay, when it comes to gallery, what we have to do? When it comes to contact us, what we have to do? Okay, when it comes to service. Okay, what to do? These are the things. See, if you want to make it work, this routing, if I want to make this routing as to work, then we must have to add the router outlet. Otherwise, this will not get executed. Okay? Understanding? Anyway, just I'll show the practical that one also. See, now this is second step done. See, what is third step? Inside this route array, we have to create a path. Correct? How to create a path here? I'll remove all these things. This is what was there previously. Okay, now hit enter. What I have to do here? When it comes to this particular path. Next here, when it comes to home, I want to which component I have to execute? home component. Correct? Yes. See, again, when it comes to this particular path, hmm, gallery, then I want to execute which component? Gallery component. Okay. Yes. See, now let us see the both the things simple. See, homework, gallery works, but contact us and service not working. See, again, I have to copy the same path. Okay. See, when it comes to path, okay, contact us component we call contact us component. Okay. Yes. See here again when it comes to this one path. Okay. See again here we have service. Okay. When I can click on service, I want to go back to which component? Service component. Okay. Na? See now check out. See, listen here everyone. See when it comes to localhost 4200, so I don't have nothing. When it comes to home, home has to work. See when it comes to this one has to work. See when it comes to this one. See when it comes to service, service has to work. Service is not working because service and this service must be same. Okay, this service must be same. Now let us check. Now check out service will work. Is it working all the things service? See you can just add your whatever the content you want. See now when I can go back to the example service. Okay. See here I'll call. You can write any of the logic. See H1 tag. Here I am writing hi. We are going to create a page to services, something kind of like this. See if I can execute this one, what will happen? See notice it is coming like this. Okay. So or else just I can call here is the logic for service. I can call here is a service for logic. Same like you can create here is the logic for here is the logic for service. Okay, here is the logic for service. Okay, na? See like this is here is the logic for service. See such as this, if I can go to one more thing, what after service gallery, right? See go to gallery and HTML. See instead of this one, remove this, paste. So we will call gallery. Okay, and again we call after gallery, we call something called as home. Okay, we can come back and we can mention even home also. Okay, home also. See home also we can mention. Okay, na? Home also we can mention here. And one more thing, service done, home done, gallery done, and contact us. See when I can go to contact us, notice here contact us. Okay, see when I can go back here, see notice, see initially will not be there anything. See when I can click on home, see home component is working. See gallery component, see contact us component, see service component. See all these things is working fine. Understanding everyone? We can able to navigate from one page to another page. See here you can able to write your own logic. See these services. See notice here. See now we are writing this logic, right? See my requirement is what? See when someone is entering this one, see by default is nothing is coming, right? See by default is nothing is coming for us. Whether it is coming anything for us? No. Correct? Nothing is coming. But my requirement is what? When someone is entering and someone is not entering anything. See path. When someone is not entering anything, then I want to call some particular component. How to call that? Let me call something called as about login component. Okay. See if I enter something empty, then I want to call login component. See notice, just to check login one, it is working. I think I called this one login. Let me call this one called about login component. Okay. Login component. Notice, see first login will get executed. Hi, welcome to login. See here we can come back. See if we can click login component will get to. Okay. See let me try that one also. Okay. See when I can click on login has to work. Such a way this when I can click on what? When I can click on register. Okay, when I can click on register. when I can click on register, register component has to work for me. Okay, register component has to work. See, let us see this. Let me implement the same thing in 1 year also. Okay, na? See, notice here again pipeline, again a tag, a tag, login I'll call, login I'll call. See again router link. What router link? Router link, uh, router link is equal to when someone call this one call about login, I have to go to login page. Right? Here we can come back. A tag, register. Register. Notice here router link. Okay, now router link is equal to here I'll call register. Okay, when it comes to register, then register has to work. Okay, my requirement. See, notice when I can click on this login, when I can click on register, is it working both the things? Working? Yes or no? See, all this one is working now for a while for us. Correct? See, see, notice here in the URL. See, if I can someone directly click this on localhost login. Okay, see, directly it will take us to that particular page, login page. See, where we have something example, if we can go to Facebook, right? See, facebook.com. See, facebook.com will come to directly this page. See, if I can click on this facebook.com dot slash login, see, still it will come to the same page. See, like this. This page it is coming. See, if I can come back to this registration page, see, I'll call, see, sign up. Sign up. See, it will go to sign up page. See, like this. Sign up page is coming. Understanding? See, here they are designing this page internally. See, if they are not entering anything by default, it has to come to this particular page, main page. See, also I can able to do like this. See, if something enters, I can call entry page. Okay, that has to go. See, like this. Example, if they are not entering anything, I want to come back to login page. See here. Which page here? Just refresh it. See, when I can come back, register page will come. See, if I can enter, see. Okay, see, if I can come back, not coming anything. Here also same. Okay. Registration, right? Okay, see where somewhere I written the logic that one. Okay, I don't know where it is. See, now I'll come back this. Notice Control Z. See, in the module.ts file, what I will do. See, if someone is not entering anything, I want to come back to registration page. See, is coming registration. See, suppose if I want to log in, see now check out. If I want to go back to login page, if someone not entering, see now check out automatically come to login page. So you can keep anything as a login page or entry page. You can create, you can design all the things whatever you want. That should be the entry. Later on, when they want to navigate from one page to other page, they'll let them navigate. Understanding everybody how this is working. See, this is the powerful of JavaScript. See whether we are doing anything extra. No, simply we should know where to use what purpose. See, this is one. See, you should know what is this purpose. That's all. Simple. See, you should know what is this purpose. Simple. Correct? We are not even written single if else logic or single style or single nothing else we done it so far. Automatically it is coming with logic as well. Understanding? Understanding everybody? What is happening here? Yes or no? Clear? Okay, see, just for your practice, what I will do, I'm just keeping it with you guys. Just have a look into this, okay? I will give you 2-3 minutes of time. Can you guys can quickly revise this one, everybody? What all the things I done it? Only these 3 steps I done it. Only the 3 steps I done it. Correct? Only 3 steps I done it. Okay? So what you guys can do, you guys can quickly just have a look into this, everybody, okay? Okay, done. See, yeah, quickly what you guys can do. I'm giving you guys 2 minutes of time. Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes of time. Quickly revise everybody. Okay, understanding? Just just learn what all the things we learnt in so far. These particular things. Quick. Yes, guys. Anybody having any doubt in this service? Sorry, which one we call? Uh, routing. Correct. Hope you guys are understood what is routing and what is services. Sorry, what is routing and what is component? Clear? What is routing and what is component? Clear, everybody? Clear? Huh? I want the confirmation from everyone. Quick. Huh? Quick, quick, quick. Good. Okay. See, the very first time, as you guys are very new to this one, see what I will do. uh, this is all the things, right? Saving everything, and again coming back. See, if you want to write any globalization style, all those things, you have something index.html where you can able to import the bootstrap link. Okay. See, like example, say assume that in the home page. See, I wanted to make this as a home page as a default page. Okay. See, this is what is this one? See here I don't have anything now, right? See, I'll go back to routing file. I'll go back to routing file. See, when I can click on this empty. Okay. See, when I can click on this one empty, then I want home page has to execute first. See, I haven't written anything here. Why? Okay, again execute. Home component fine. Not executing it. Fine. Why it is not executing this one? Anything wrong? Okay, all right. Anyways, that's fine. See, no worries. I'll show that quickly one example. See now, let me call it something login page only. Okay, login page itself. Let me call the login page only. Login page only. I'll call. Okay, when it comes to blank, I want to login page has to get execute. Why it is not executing? Uh, Anything wrong? No. Okay, so fine. Let me call as a home first. Not there. Gallery. Not there. Okay, I think did I remove anything here? Okay, let me call contact us. I don't know whether okay. Did I remove anything? ST routing file. Oh, home component. Where is the HTML? It is there, right? All the things. This has to get executed. Okay, see, fine. See, anyways, this already we know the concept. What I will do? Shall we just quickly create a simple project with a simple project? I'll show this one how I can able to implement all the things. Okay. Rest of the things what you guys can do, you guys have to implement yourself all the things. Understanding everyone? Okay, see now what I will do, just let me create a simple one project. Okay, how using Angular. See why I am showing this one is you wanted to become very much flexible in this one, so that is the reason. Uh, Myself itself just I'll create a simple project. Okay, understanding. See now here what I will do. See new folder. Let me call project Angular project. Okay, see Angular project I'll call. See, I haven't written any style set. Okay, just only pure only for what? See now, how to create a project? How to create a project? Ng, ng, new, ng new. Huh. See, you can call project. Okay, you can call project. Okay, or you can call project. You can call project name. It can be demo project or anything. Okay, demo project. Okay, what is demo project? I am calling. Understanding? Demo project I am calling. Okay. See, it is asking me to enter the routing file. Whether I want to create a routing file? Do I want to create a routing file? If yes, press as a Y. See, if you mention press as a Y, then only their routing file will get create. Okay, then only you can add a routings. Otherwise, it will become difficult. See, which one you want to add? SAS, LAS, or SCSS, or only CSS? Only CSS. Okay, see, it might take some time. It might take some time. 1 or 2 minute time. Okay, 1 or 2 minutes of time just to create a just to create a project. Okay, see now what I will do, see we know this, we were using many other things, right? See in the bootstrap. See now what I will do, just for our understanding purpose. Okay, see let me go back to bootstrap. Okay, what I will call bootstrap. Okay, now see bootstrap 4. Okay, bootstrap 4. Okay, either CDN link you can use it to use or anything. Okay, whatever we want. See, now let us use of any of these things. Okay, see now we'll just copy and we'll do the project. Okay, we don't want to sit together and again no need of adding this on all the things and writing the logic. Okay, see we know this. What other things will be there? See now, project created. Go to this project. Came into project now. Open the Visual Studio Code. Open the Visual Studio Code. I just opened the Visual Studio Code. Correct? See, notice I wanted to create a multiple components. Okay, ng generate component, home component. Okay, ng generate component, which component? Which component? Home component. See, such a way this I will call service. Okay, what I will call service. Ng generate component. service, service component, two component. Let me call such as some gallery component. See, gallery component. Understanding everybody? Gallery component. I'll call contact as component. Okay. I'll call login component. Notice here, login component. Guys, listen carefully, everybody. Login component and register component. Okay. Register component. Okay. Clear? Clear? I just create all these 6 components. See, when I can go back and open this one, see, notice, go to source, go to app. See, these all the components are available. Correct? Yes or no? Correct. So how many components? It's 6 component. I just created it so far. Okay. Fine. See, now what we'll do now? See, we'll go back to home component. See, this is a entry point. Let us consider as a entry point will be home component. Okay. Let us consider entry point will be home component. See now how we can able to make this as entry component. See, or let's see what. Let's do one thing. Shall we add one route navigation bar? Navigation bar. See what I will do. I'll go back. Let me go back and let me call some of the things here. Okay. See, yeah, here we have an app bar. See, you can able to add anything. Okay. Just already we know this. I don't have enough time to work on all things. So hence I'll copy here directly. Okay. Whichever is comfortable, whichever is feeling good, then you guys can copy that such things. Okay. Now going back till now, if I can, okay, any good things, copy that. See, notice. If it is anything good, I'll copy that things only. Okay, not this one. Login. Going back. Somewhere I can come back. See, now I think it will be some little bit advanced, I guess. If I can come back, I think navigation bar was there with all of the. Okay. See, notice. I will call this navs. Okay, nav bar. See, with advanced things along with the login registration, all the things was there. See, that things let's try to get that one. Okay. See, now when I can come back, not about this one, I guess. Okay. Anyways, anything is fine. Do we have navs this one? Okay, I think no. Okay. Yeah. See, let us come back and compile this one only. Okay. Let us call this one only first for us. We don't want this one also actually. We'll come back. Anything? I think it might be Bootstrap 3. See, the ready-made things are there, so that is the thing. Just I'll call. See, just wanted to check. Just wanted to show this one. See, along with these things, we have even ready-made things are also. See, which we call as about icons also available. See, like this example. See, if I want to call this kind of a things, okay. If I want to call this kind of a stuff, see, along with this icon. See, if I want these things, see now what I can do. See, directly I can copy this navigation bar for us. Okay. What I have to copy? Navigation bar. See, you know this glyph icons, all the things we already worked on it, right? We already worked on it, all the glyph icons, everything. Okay, na? See, now what I will do, I will add this, or I will add all these things where in my app component. Okay, where here. Okay, see, very first thing what I will do, let me go back and run this one in the local host. How to run it to localhost? ng. How to run this one? How to run this application? ng serve, right? Correct. When I can use the ng serve, see, this will get execute. See, once if it is compiled successfully, go back to browser and just use this one called as what? See, kind of localhost 4200. See, notice, yes, it is coming, but I don't want all these things. What I wanted here, I wanted the navigation bar. See, when I can execute this navigation bar, it is not coming the navigation bar because what? I am not using that. I am not using any of these links. See, I have to use these two links to get that navigation bar. See, where I can able to use. See, notice carefully. This is like global, right? I will use this one inside this index.html. See, index.html will be what? Like this. Okay, now if I can execute this one, notice. See, is it adding this one? If I can execute this one, still no. Let me go back, run this one. Okay, anything wrong in this particular one? All I added, right? Added all the things, not about this one. Okay, I think this one, I guess. See, I have to add these particular links. These three links I have to add. Okay, where I have to add? Inside is index.html. Okay, I have to add these three links in the index.html. Now notice, yes, it will come now. See if I can refresh it. Is it coming this one? Yes, is it coming for us? Yes or no? It is coming, right? Yes, navigation bar, it is coming for us. Okay. See, navigation bar is coming. See, notice here, I wanted to add some background color. See, if really want to add some background color, now coming back, see, for a while, just let's add this one. BG color is equal to some yellow. Okay, see, BG color is equal to yellow. See, now automatically what will happen? Why it is not? Okay, see, let us click like this. See, in the global style we'll add. Okay, see, when it comes to body tag, background color is equal to yellow. Yellow. See, now notice yellow color is coming. Can you able to see everybody this yellow color? Correct? Okay. Yeah. See, now what we can do, we just added here style channel. If you want, see, now going back, see here we have a website name, right? You can call anything called as simply learn. Okay, simply learn. Okay, just whatever you want, you guys can add that one. Okay. Simply see here we can come back. See, home is there here. See, here we have something services, all the things. You can come back and click on services, whatever you want. Okay, see, now again, let me call this one what instead of home, right? Home will let me find page 1. Where will be page 1? Yeah, here. Okay, page 1. I'll call what I can call services. Okay, services. I'll call the what are the services we will provide it. Okay, see, these other services will be what are the services? I'll provide testing. Okay, development course. Okay, and as well as even I'll call testing. Okay, testing. I will call this in class what data analytics, something kind of like this. Okay, data science. Okay, data science. See, now again when I can go back, see, now check out services. See, I will clear all the things. See, now instead of this one, see, we can mention as a course. Okay, course. See, when I can go back, see, now check out course. Okay, see here, if you want to check this one instead of page 2, if you want to gallery. Okay, gallery, I can mention as a gallery. See, sign up and login. See, all these things is there. See, this is what icon. See, instead of this one user icon, if I can click on what? Some search icon, or if I can use print icon. See, automatically that will get changed. See, print icon is coming. I don't want print icon. See, if I want to say login and this should be there. Okay? Understanding? See, this is kind of an entry page I want. See, later on, when I can click to gallery, the gallery has to change here. When I can click to course, this accordingly, this one has to get changed here for me. Okay, when I can click on sign up has to change. When I can click on login has to change. Okay, how to do that things? How to do? I don't know how to do that. See, when I can click on sign up, when I can click on login, it has to come for us. See, sign up means what? A registration page. I want a registration page. Where is the sign up? See here. What I have to add instead of this one? What I have to add? What I have to add? What I want to add? What I want to add? Let me remove this. Yes. See what I want to add here? Router link, right? Router link is equal to. See, when someone calls this sign up. When someone calls sign up, then sign up has to go. See, instead of this one, router link is equal to login. See, when someone can enter this login, then login page has to execute. Okay. See, this is our requirement. Okay. Where it has to execute? Here only. I'll mention router outlet. Okay, router outlet I just mentioned. Okay, see, when someone calls sign up and login, I have to navigate, right? Where I have to write the logic for that? Inside this routing file. Okay. See, notice here, I'll call when someone calls path, when someone calls sign up, I want to navigate to sign up page. Okay, see, sign up page. Okay, SIGN sign up register component. Okay, register component. See again, when someone call this path login, okay, when someone call this login component, so I want to call this one called what, login component. Simple. Okay, let us see first whether it really works or not. See, login and register. Is it working? Byte. Okay, see, it is working fine. See, now what we'll do? We'll come back. We'll go to login page first. Where is the login page? Okay, login page. Where is the login page? Here. Correct? See, I want to be call this login things. Okay, I will call this one called as what? See, now notice. Let me call this one. Close it. Close it. Okay. Let me call this one once again. Okay. So now I'll call this one called as what? Input or registration, correct? Or what I will do? HTML or bootstrap code. See, just I'll copy this one. Okay. Forms in bootstrap. Okay, forms in bootstrap. Which one I'm using it here? Which one I'm using it here? Index 3, right? I am using 3. Bootstrap 3. Okay. See, now I wanted to use this one. Okay. See, now notice bootstrap form I have. See, when I can go to bootstrap form, this is something called as what? Login page. See, now what I will do, I'll come back and I'll copy the login page. Okay. Where I have to copy the login page? Where I have to copy the login page? In the login.html. See, I'll remove this one and I'll paste the login page HTML. See, when I can go back here, see, when someone click this on login, see, now check out login is coming. Is it coming the login? Okay, if really want us, we can come back some div tag and we can write our own style. Okay, what all the style I want? So Control A, Control K, Control F. Okay. Fine. Yeah. See, suppose this when this particular div tag comes, okay, I want something margin. Okay, margin from everywhere I want something 100 pixel. Okay, just to show that. Okay, no need to worry about this. Okay, is it coming? Okay, I think somewhere, yeah, I just taken everywhere div tag. Let me apply some class. Okay, let me apply some class is equal to ABC. When ABC class comes, okay, when ABC class comes, then I want this logic. See, like this. Login page. Can everybody able to see the login page? Everybody able to see the login page? Okay. See, such a way is what I wanted to do. I wanted to call as a registration page. If really want to call the registration, going back registration.html. Okay, see, now check out. I will call registration. See, if I have this one, I'll copy that. Else fine. Okay. Still this is the same. Let me check this. Still this is also same. Okay, see, now let me go back and let me call HTML registration form. Okay, see, when I can click on HTML registration form, notice here, yeah, let me copy the same thing only. Okay, let me copy the same thing only. I don't want this one. Let me copy the same thing itself. Okay, here I'll call remove this div tag. Okay, for this class ABC class, I will paste this one content. Okay, here also same style I'll write it. Okay, if this is ABC class, then margin I wanted 100 pixel everywhere. Okay, now let us see that. Okay, sign up. See, sign up, it is coming like this, and login it is coming like this. Okay, anyways, don't worry, but you guys can do that later on. But simply for a while, just I'm showing this one. Okay, just I'm showing with you guys how this is really executing it. Okay, see, when someone calls this nothing, see, it is not coming anything for us. Is it coming anything for us? No. Correct? It is not coming. Okay, see, if you really want to see gallery, it will go to gallery and images, all the things. Okay, simply learn. And when I can click this login, see, it is coming to login page. See, now when someone can enter this one called as localhost only 4200, I wanted to enter, see, in the app component. See, in this app component, let me add a carousel. Okay, let me add some carousel. See, where is the carousel? Do we have this one carousel here? Yes. Okay, now going back. I don't know whether it really will execute or not. See, copy this one content. Okay, see, notice. I'll copy all the things here. Okay, see, copy this one content. just for understanding, let me copy this and going back to home component. See, when I can execute this home component, notice. Ah, see here, let me add the same thing here. See, when I can go back to the browser, check out. See, it is coming, but do we have any images here? Do we have any images here? Do we have any images? No images, right? See, now what I will do, I will come back, just I'll download the image. See, listen carefully. Uh, Ultra HD wallpaper for laptop. Okay, see now, let me add, let me download some of the images here. Save image as, let me call this one called as what? B3, batch 3. So I'll call this one called as what? Simply learn img1. Okay, dot jpg. CSL, I'll call everything as small. Simply learn img1 dot jpg. Okay, I wanted to call dot jpg sm. Yes, simply learn. Okay, image. Okay, see such as this, I'll download the same. Simply learn img2 dot jpg. Okay, and again I'll also call the things. Okay, right click, save image as. See, simply learn img dot 3 dot jpg. Okay, so 3 images are available. Okay, see, let me remove this one. Guys, listen carefully. If you want to add the images, if you want to add an images, listen carefully. Where you want to add an images? What is the folder we have? If you want to add any of the images, we have a folder called as. I want everybody to repeat this. I want everybody to repeat this. What is the folder I have? Assets folder. Okay. See, now going back here, going back, downloads. See, these all the 3 images. Copy this. I'll go to web, my project, no project, demo, src, assets. See, now notice, yes, can you able to see these 3 images, everybody? Everybody can able to see these 3 images? Okay. See, dot dot slash assert slash 1. Okay. Notice here also same thing, dot dot slash assert dot dot slash image 2. Okay. So here also same, dot dot slash assert slash image 3. Now notice when I can go to browser, and check this one. See, now check out. Yes, can you able to see this image, everybody? Correct? Correct? This coming? Yes or no? See, now if you want to click a login, see, going back to login page. See, when I can click on login, sign up, it is coming, but it is overlapping that one. Okay, overlapping. What I can do, if I can execute this one second, I can come back. Let me call as entry page. Okay, let me call as an entry page. Let me create this one in entry page. Okay, I wanted to call this one in some entry page. Okay, see, now what I will do, I'll cut this one. I'll create one other component. Okay, I'll call this one cmd ng generate component entry page. See, when I can create an entry page, I will go back to entry page. See, routing file. I wanted this one what? When someone enter this one only empty path. When someone enter this empty path, I want to go back to entry page component. See, go back to entry page component, HTML, and here we can paste it. Okay, see, if I can go back to this one, notice. See here, when someone enter this, see, now it is. Now let me come back. Yeah, see here, when I can click sign up, login. 1 minute. Again, it's also there in this main page. Not there, right? Save this one. Coming back to this particular stuff. I want to add this one in the entry. Okay. Save this. Now going back to this one, see entry. Yes. Sign up. Registration. See, notice all these things. Okay. When I can click on home, see it is coming. See, when I can click on home, nothing. So when I can click on home, it is coming back. See, click on login. See, going back to login page. Click on sign up. Going back to sign up page. See, all these things is working. See, guys, rest everything is what? How you guys will practice it. Understanding? So how you guys will practice it. Accordingly, this will get executed for us. Correct? Correct? Understanding everyone? Okay, see. Now just basic example just I given out how we can able to add all the things. See, now what you guys can do, you guys can able to create yourself as a project. Okay? Yourself as a project. See, suppose if I can create as a loan. See, if I can create as a loan, accordingly I have to get the result as well. Say again with logic also I wanted to print. Okay, with logic also I wanted to print. See, when I'm talking about this one, see we have some building blocks of element. Okay. See here we have. Here notice here. See when it come back to here. See when I'm talking about Angular. See now this one till this one everybody clear component and routing clear. Huh? Component and routing clear everybody. With project also just I shown. See this project also I shown means what? Rest everything you guys have to do yourself. So for a while basic level just I explained it. Understanding everyone? Okay, see when I can click on these things, still I'll come across all those things. Okay, go to this one page, all the things, I'll go with that. See now using Bootstrap, how to do this Angular page. Is it clear everyone? Clear everybody? Clear, right? Okay, all right. Okay, na? See here, notice here when I'm talking about Angular, see this today we learned two things. See here we have data binding. Okay, data binding we have, and also we have something called as a pipe we have. Also we have services. Also we have services. Also data binding, pipe services. We have forms. We inside is forms. We have template driven form, reactive driven form. Okay, and again HTTP services. Okay, HTTP services. Okay, na? See here all these things. Okay, see now these are the things you must know all these things. Okay. Two-way data binding also we have. We'll see that all the things. Okay, one-way data binding, two-way data binding, event binding, property binding we have, event binding we have. Multiple data bindings are available. Let's see what are the types of bindings we have, how we can able to utilize all the things. Okay, I'll completely explain all the stuff, how we can able to execute these particular things. Okay, na? See, we have even pipe also, custom pipe also we have. See, when I'm talking about this routing, these two things we know this. See, when I'm talking about just I'll give the overview. See, when I'm talking about the data binding, we have two types. Two types we have. One is what? One-way data binding. One-way data binding, and one more things we have something called as what? Two-way data binding. Two-way. See, in one-way data binding, what are the things we have? Event binding, property binding, interpolation. Interpolation. Okay, two-way data binding, both with event and property. Okay. See, when I'm talking about the pipe, we have pure pipe and we have impure pipe. Okay, we have pure and impure pipe. Okay. See, when I'm talking about the services, we have services forms. We have in the forms template driven form, okay, and reactive driven form. Okay, and again we have an HTTP. See, yes, in this one, what we do in this HTTP, we are going to integrate integrate front end and back end. Okay, see if you guys are aware of back end coding as well, then I'll show the practice how we can able to integrate from front end to back end. Okay, if you guys are already aware of it, then only I'll show how to integrate from front end to back end, like how we done with it, right? See HTML, see from the front end HTML, CSS, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, JavaScript along with the Java, we just inserted the record to where SQL, MySQL, right? Okay, with using Tomcat server. Okay, using JDBC topic. Okay, there we are using servlet, and again along with the Tomcat. Okay, Tomcat. See if everybody know this one backend coding, either Spring Boot, all the things, then definitely I'll explain how to integrate front end and backend. See, these all the things, building blocks of element, which you guys must have to aware of it. Understanding everybody this one? Understanding? Okay. Right? Clear? Clear everybody? Okay, na? Guys, 1 minute. Yeah. Fine, all right. Yeah, see, this is the things. Okay, now what I will do, for a while, I know these things you must have to practice a lot very first day, okay? Give me 1 second, guys, 1 second. Okay, yeah. See, now what I will do, with the very first thing, just in the day one, okay, now we are going to discussing this one, right? See, now what I will do, I will share this particular code with you guys. Just copy this and execute, okay? Copy this and execute. See how I can able to copy and execute is, see again I'll also show that one also. I know this directly you guys can not able to do that one. See these two part I done with along with the project, okay? I'll upload both the project if you want, or one is much more enough, okay? I already implemented the same thing, everything here itself, okay? Implemented everything here itself. See this is what, when it comes to nothing, entry page, okay? When it comes to sign up and login, this first page has to go. So I will push the code, I will push this particular code to GitHub. Okay. I'll push this particular code to GitHub. Now what you guys can do. Okay. Now we'll come back and we'll see now. I'll just go with the GitHub. Okay. I'll go with the GitHub here. I'll create a new repository. Okay. I'll create a new repository. I'll call this one called what? Angular demo. Okay, Angular demo I'll call. Guys, notice carefully. Okay, na? See now this is the page. I have it. Now what I supposed to do? I'll remove all the things. I don't want to keep it anything extra more here. Okay, now remove this one. The same page. I'll go here. Web project. Okay, demo project. This one I have to push the code. Okay, na? This one I have to push the code. See, if I want to push the code, what I have to do? I have to perform these all the operation, right? See, git init. We know this one already, right? I don't know whether you guys already gone through this one. Say, I don't want to repeat the same thing. I will add all the files. Okay, git space, add all the things. I added all the files. I wanted to commit the code. Let it be same commit message, anything, no worries. Okay, committed the code. And if I want to be create a branch, I can create. If I don't want to create a branch, directly I can able to add the remote origin. Okay, added the remote origin, and I wanted to push the code. Okay, I wanted to push the code to where I want to push the code, to this upstream I master branch. I want to push the code. So once if I push the code to master, then when I can see this one, this will be there in our master. See if I can refresh this one. Guys, listen here, everybody. See, notice everywhere we have this particular code, correct? Do we have this particular code? Okay, see now notice, I see I don't have a code now. Okay, I don't have anything now. See now I'll give you this particular link with you guys, okay? See, Tanesh, he given the link. Tanesh, he given the link. Then how we can able to copy that link? Okay. See now notice. Now we'll close all these things. Okay, we'll close all these things now. Okay, we'll close all these things now. See, when I can click on this, it will take us to this particular site. Okay, see, it is taking us to the particular slide. See, now check out, it is taking us. See how to clone the project. How to clone the project? Go back, copy this one. Next, go back to this wherever you want. Go back to the project wherever you want to do. Now copy this. Okay, create a new folder. Okay, do you want all the nodes in GitHub as well? This particular code, if I want to push this one. Yeah. See now, these are the things, Angular code. Just for the nodes. Okay, let me add. I don't know whether it is everything is there or not. Okay, yeah. Anything. I'll keep all the things nodes here. Going back here. Now again coming back. Yes. Okay. See now what I will do. Let me add. Go back to the same project. This one only, right? Demo project. Yeah. See now. Let me come back. Guys, what I will do. How can I able to add this one file? Shall I keep it somewhere in this one in the component? Can you guys can quickly? Okay. See now what I will do in this particular file, I'll just keep it. Okay. Okay. See now notes dot text file. Okay na? See, just I'm pasting it inside this notes file. Okay. Clear na? Where it will be? It will be in source. It will be in assets, and it will be in notes.ts file. Kishore, clear? Okay. Fine, right? Yeah. See now what I will do, I will come back and I'll push this code as well. Okay. cmd git init. Okay. Git space add space dot git space commit space -m space -m space notes git push. Okay. Git push. Okay. See now I'm pushing the code. See, when I can go back to the browser, notice that things also will be there for you guys. Okay, see, just refresh it. See, there will be notes for you guys. Okay, inside say notes, here it will be there. Okay, here you guys having a notes. If you really want that one, see, so you guys can copy and execute this one. Okay, fine. See, now what I will do. Okay, now just I'm giving you the code link. See, this is not like a same how you guys are using it previously. See, now just adding the link. Okay. See, just I given the link here. Okay. See, once if I given the link, what you guys have to do? What you guys have to do? See, you guys have to you guys have to clone the project, right? See, once if you clone the project, how to run it? I'll show it. Okay. See, notice. Click on any of the folder. Okay. Click on any of the folder. I'll go to folder here. Okay. Angular project which I cloned it. Did I clone? I don't know. Okay. See, now going back. I will call simply learn. Simply learn. Going back, see, notice here how to clone the project. Open this one, cmd git space clone space, copy the link, paste. See, notice here you guys can able to see this one code. Okay, automatically it will be there in this particular code, Angular demo. Okay, it will be there in this particular code. See how I can able to execute this one. See when I can call this one called as what, ng serve. See when I can call ng serve. See this might not be available. See now again, sorry, going back cd demo ng serve. See when I can execute this one ng serve, notice here. See there is no packages to install this one. See first we have to use npm install. Okay. Always remember when you can close the project, you must have to do this one. It's compulsory you have to do that. Okay. Understanding? Yes. When I can compile this, notice here. Okay. See now if I can serve this one ng serve. See notice here. Here we have an option, running option. See we can compile this. Okay. See notice it is compiling fine. Okay. It is compiling fine. Okay. Now check out. It is compiled successfully. Now if I can go back and if I can check this one. Okay. See now what is this? Localhost 4200. Now check out. Yes, we have this project. Okay, gallery, home, whatever you have. This, see, you can click on sign up and click on login. All these things will be available. Understood, right, everybody? Understood so far? Clear, everybody? What I want to do? Okay. Till now, everybody clear, right? Any doubts so far? Any doubts so far? No? Clear? Yes or no? All clear, right, everybody? See, how was the class? Is everybody clear this one? Out. See, Angular is very simple if you understood properly. Okay. You just start with the project. Tomorrow, full day you sit, and by evening you can come back. See, you will feel more comfortable, right? You feel more comfortable to create this application. Okay, can you guys can do this one, everybody? Can you guys can practice all the things one by one? Okay, I want everybody to practice this one. Okay. Tomorrow by evening everybody has to practice along with the project. Okay, tomorrow I want everybody to practice the project. Can you guys can? Okay, clear? Any doubt so far? All clear? Any doubt? Any doubt so far? See, if you have any question, quickly you guys can please feel free to ask me. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask. Do you have any channel? Can't that one? Okay, just keep search that one. You might get it. Okay. Yes. See, better you cannot use both Bootstrap 3 and Bootstrap 5 at the same time. No, not recommended to use. Use either Bootstrap 3 or 5, only one. Okay. Clear, everybody? Any doubts so far? Any doubts so far? Okay. See what you guys can do. You guys can try to create some Facebook application. Okay. If you guys having any doubt, kind of this, you see, just to create as much as possible. Okay. Just to create, try that one Facebook application, or kind of like this. See, if you want to write this anything, you guys can feel free to create an application. Okay. Okay. Any doubt so far? No doubt. Any doubt so far? No doubts, right? No doubt. Yeah, super, fantastic. See, tomorrow will be the very much interesting little more if you practice today's task. So otherwise it will become little tough. So make sure this everybody has to practice it. Okay, na? Understanding? See, I'll give any little more time. If you guys having any questions, feel free to ask the question. Else, we shared one link with you guys. Quickly go with the link and rate us, provide a feedback, and do let me know if you have any questions. Can you guys quickly do that? Go with the link. And once you're done with it, mention as a done. Go to the link and mention as a done. Mention as a done. Okay, if you're done with this, just go with the link, complete, and mention as a done. Okay. Asking credentials for stuff. One second. Asking the credentials, is it? Okay, yeah. See what you guys can do. Okay, yeah, I know that. See now, you see if you don't have any questions, you guys can feel free to drop off the call. See once if you guys can able to drop off the call, you guys can able to send the feedback. Okay, you guys can able to write us feedback. Fine. Thank you guys. Thank you so much, everybody. We'll meet up in the same time tomorrow. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Good night. Yeah. Over for today. Yes, Smiti.